So, in our previous Insta360 X6 video, we covered the redesigned body, which is a noticeable departure from the X5. But now WinFuture has published what appears to be a partial specification sheet, and if these details are accurate, the similarities to DJI's Osmo 360 are becoming hard to ignore. The headline feature is once again 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second in 360 mode, matching what DJI offers on the Osmo 360. The leak also suggests that PureVideo 360 mode will support recording at up to 8K 30, but perhaps the biggest hardware upgrade is the camera sensor itself. Insta360 has steadily increased sensor size over the last few generations, moving from 1/1.8-inch sensors on the X4 to 1/1.28-inch sensors on the X5. Now the X6 is reportedly making another jump to dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. Do you see the pattern? At least to me, it looks like Insta360 is positioning the X6 to appeal to buyers in markets where DJI's latest cameras aren't officially available, especially the United States. Whether that's the company's strategy or simply a coincidence, the leaked specifications put the X6 remarkably close to the Osmo 360 on paper. The exact image sensors haven't been identified yet, but based on the leaked specifications, each sensor will likely capture at least 42 megapixels. The camera is also expected to produce 120 megapixel 360-degree photos. On the video side, the leak mentions 10-bit color recording, Dolby Vision support, iLog for creators who prefer color grading, and Adaptive Tone 2.0, which is designed to improve exposure in difficult lighting conditions. According to the same specification sheet, 8K 50 will be the maximum resolution for standard 360 video, while PureVideo mode is reportedly limited to 8K 30. In single lens mode, the camera is expected to record at up to 5K 60 or 4K 120, giving users the option of higher quality action footage or smooth slow motion recording. Battery life also appears to be getting a healthy upgrade. Despite a more compact body measuring roughly 10 by 5 by 4 centimeters and weighing around 195 grams, the X6 is rumored to include a larger 2600 milliamp hour battery. That's up from the X5's 2400 pack, with recording time increasing from a quoted 208 minutes in the X5's 5.7K 24 endurance mode to as much as 233 minutes on the X6. The touchscreen size still hasn't been revealed, but the display is said to reach up to 1200 nits of brightness. Details like the lens aperture and charging speeds remain unknown for now. Finally, there's the price. As we reported earlier, the Insta360 X6 is expected to launch at a slightly higher price than its predecessor. Current leaks point to a European starting price of just under 700 euros for the standard version, while the Essentials bundle could approach 800 euros. Of course, none of this is official until Insta360 makes the announcement, but if these leaks are accurate, the X6 is shaping up to be one of the strongest competitors to the Osmo 360 yet. Peace.